Hello kids, let's begin our class. Today I will teach you blending. First we learn the sounds of alphabet. Then we move to read words. To read words we should know blending. How to blend the sound so that we get to know the words. I will use this wheel. This is a wheel, blending wheel. In this I have written words. With the help of this, we can read about 65 words. Some words will not have any meaning, but it's okay. The purpose is to learn blending. So, let's start. We will start with CVC A words. Like this way. Let's start with S. And in the orange wheel, we will take at words. S says s, at, sat. Very good. Keep the at constant and turn the yellow wheel. At, rat. If you are finding it difficult, first blend 2 words, then blend 3 words. Pat, mat. Read with me. Fat. Hat, hat. Bat. Tat. Now let's do ET words. Set. Ret. Pet. Met. Fet. Het. Bet. Tet. Very good children. Practice it. You will be able to blend. Now we will do an words. Let's begin. San. Ran. Pan. Man. Fan. Han. Ban. Dan. Now start with in. Inwards. Sin. Very good. Rin. Pin. Min. Fin. Hin. Some word doesn't have any meaning, but we are learning blending, so it's okay. bin. T I N tin. Now we will do ug words. Sug. Rug. Pug. Mug. Fug. Hug. Bug. Tug. Now let's move to OP words. O says O, P says P. So let's start. O, P, sop. O, P, rop. P, O, P, pop. O, P, mop. O, P, fop. H, O, P, hop. B, O, P, bop. T, O, P, top. Now EN words. A, S, A, sen. A, ren. P, A, pen. A, men. A, fen. H, A, hen. B, A, ben. T, A, ten. Now we will do IP words. What is the sound of I? E. And P says P. So let's start. S, E, P, sip. E, P, rip. P, E, P, pip. E, P, mip. E, P, fip. H, E, P, hip. B, E, P, bip. T, E, P, tip. Understood, children? Make a wheel like this or note down the words in your notebook and read them. You will be able to blend the words. These are very easy CVC words. With one wheel, you can read around 65 words. Okay kids, practice blending. Bye. See you in the next video.